It's going to be a very quick video. This video is going to be, I'm going to be making slime, but I don't know when. So, like, when I make slime, I'm going to post it on YouTube. I tried to make slime today, but I ain't had no glue, no blocks, or nothing. I tried to make slime with shampoo, soap, and stuff like that, but it didn't work. So, I'm going to make slime, and I'm going to make slime soon. Me and my brother and my mama. So